Turkey has achieved a groundbreaking milestone in unmanned aerial vehicle technology, as the Bayraktar Akinci drone successfully launched the domestically developed IHA-230 supersonic ballistic missile. This remarkable achievement demonstrates Turkey's leadership in drone innovation and showcases the increasing capabilities of its defense industry. The Bayraktar Akinci is Turkey's most advanced combat drone, developed by Bayraktar Technologies. Equipped with dual turboprop engines producing 1,700 horsepower, it operates at altitudes up to 40,000 feet, carrying a wide range of payloads. Its onboard systems allow real-time data processing and autonomous mission capabilities, making it an exceptional platform for both reconnaissance and precision strikes. The IHA-230, developed by Roketsan, is Turkey's first air-to-surface supersonic missile specifically designed for UAVs. With a range of 20 to 150 kilometers, it enables the Akinci to engage targets while remaining outside enemy air defenses. Recent design upgrades to the missile's aerodynamics and control surfaces enhance its speed, maneuverability, and precision, ensuring pinpoint accuracy even in challenging environments. During the latest test on February 24, 2024, the Akinci drone launched the IHA-230 missile from the Sinop firing range, striking a target 155 kilometers away in the Black Sea. This test not only validated the missile's capabilities but also highlighted the Akinci's integration of advanced weapon systems. The drone stayed airborne for over an hour during the test, showcasing its endurance and operational readiness. This achievement represents a significant leap in Turkey's ability to conduct long-range, precision strikes without risking human pilots or larger aircraft. The integration of ballistic missile capabilities into UAVs enhances the tactical options available to Turkish forces, particularly in contested environments where standoff capabilities are critical. Additionally, the Akinci IHA-230 combination signals Turkey's growing self-reliance in defense technologies. It not only strengthens Turkey's position in global arms exports but also serves as a powerful deterrence tool, providing a technological edge in modern warfare. In conclusion, the successful test of the IHA-230 missile from the Bayraktar Akinci drone is a game-changer in drone and missile technology. It underscores Turkey's commitment to advancing indigenous defense systems and sets a new benchmark for UAV capabilities. Share your thoughts on this landmark achievement in the comments below.